Hello all, welcome to Drawing for Kids. Enjoy watching and hopefully entertain friends. Today we will drawing and coloring doraemon boba eyes. Watch this video until it's finished, friends.
Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Let's make the boba first. Then we draw the doraemon. Let's go.
To school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play.
You can see the doraemon picture. Yeah, I see the doraemon. Nice. Let's make the doraemon boba eyes thicker.
So the teacher turned it up, but still it lingered near and waited patiently.
Anyone want to draw doraemon boba eyes?
Patiently about and waited patiently about till Mary
Yes, I also want to draw the doraemon boba eyes. Keep watching this video until it's finished, so all of you can learn to draw and color doraemon boba eyes.
So why does the lamb love Mary? So the eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary
Wow,
had a
amazing.
lamb,
It's time to color. Let's go.
Mary
Blue.
had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary
Red.
had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Orange.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day.
Brilliant
which
blue.
was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out.
Baby
So
blue.
the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered.
The doraemon ice boba is so cute.
Patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know.
Warm gray.
Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply.
Doraemon boba eyes. Thank you for watching the doraemon boba eyes video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Lamb,